Welcome to Curveseries Academy. I am Amy and I will be your teacher today. Here you will find a series of training videos that will strengthen your abilities to navigate the Curveseries desktop software and its features. In this video, you will learn how to pull external data from S&P Global Platts into Curveseries platform. Please note that you must be logged into your own Platts API account to access and retrieve Platts data inside Curveseries. Curveseries is created by traders for traders. We understand that in your day-to-day workflow, you often need to combine external pricing data, such as Platts assessments, with your own curves, physical pricing, or fundamental data, all in one place for clearer analysis and decision-making. Let's start in the Curveseries desktop application. First, right-click on the Curveseries icon at the top left of the toolbar. Then select Accounts. Choose S&P Global Energy. Enter your Platts login credentials and click Save. Once that's done, you're connected to your Platts account. Next, create a new dashboard and give it a name. Then, right-click on the Dashboard tab and select New Historical Chart. On the right-hand side of the screen, right-click and choose Add Equation. Then, right-click again and select Add S&P Global Energy symbol. Here, it's recommended to keep Subscribed Only checked. This ensures you only see the Platts products you have access to based on your subscription package. If you'd like to explore other available Platts datasets, you can uncheck this option to view the full catalog. At the search box, you can search for the Platts symbol you need, either by entering the Platts code or the product name. Double-click the symbol to select it, then choose the appropriate data field from the drop-down menu. That's it. The Platts data is automatically pulled in, and an equation is created for you. You can now add a description to your chart. Adjust the start date to any point you need and click Save. You can also download Platts data using the Curveseries Excel add-in. Start by clicking Settings to log in. Go to the Accounts tab, left-click on S&P Global Energy, then right-click and select Edit Account Settings. Enter your login details, click Save, and then Close. Now click Download Series. Just like in the desktop app, right-click in the right-hand panel and select Add Equation. Right-click again and choose Add S&P Global Energy symbol. Once again, it's best to keep Subscribed Only checked so you only see datasets included in your Platts subscription. Search for the Platts symbol you want, double-click to select it, and choose the correct data field. Click OK and the Platts equation is created instantly. Save the query, select your start date, and save again. Then click Refresh Download to pull the Platts data directly into Excel. Make sure you are always logged into your Platts account. If you're not logged in, your chart will appear empty in the desktop application, and in Excel, you won't be able to refresh and download the latest Platts data for the next day. You can repeat these steps to add multiple time series and datasets, making it easy to analyze physical pricing alongside price action all in one place. On behalf of all the staff at Curveseries, I would like to thank you for trusting us with your analytics needs. Be sure to stay tuned for more training videos and upcoming data partnership collaborations. Curveseries is your one-stop platform for market data and analysis.